Ladies and gentlemen, people generally value resourcefulness and thoughtfulness in daily life. Sometimes a little bit of consideration can help us resolve unnecessary awkward situations. Today, let us explore 10 handy kitchen tips to see how science can be found right in the palm of our hands. 1. Peeling garlic super fast. Problem: small garlic cloves. Tightly packed skins. Peeling by hand is time-consuming and leaves a lingering smell on your fingernails. Solution: place the garlic cloves in a sealed jar or 2 bowls stacked together and shake vigorously for 15 seconds. Explanation: the continuous impact breaks the bonds between the skin and the garlic clove. 2. Reviving stale bread. Problem: bread left overnight becomes dry and hard, making it unappetizing. Solution: sprinkle a little clean water on the surface of the bread and microwave for about 10 seconds. Explanation: the water evaporates at high temperatures and seeps back into the starch, restoring its softness and elasticity. 3. Keeping bananas fresh longer. Problem: bananas ripen too quickly, turning black in just 1 to 2 days. Problem: wrap the banana stem tightly with plastic wrap. Explanation: this prevents ethylene gas, a natural ripening agent, from escaping from the stem for cutting onions without eye irritation. Problem: onion fumes cause stinging and tearing in the eyes every time you cook. Solution: hold a large gulp of water in your mouth throughout the onion cutting process. Explanation: the moisture in your mouth attracts and dissolves propanetheal gas before it reaches your eyes. 5. Removing stains from carpets. Problem: stains on carpets are difficult to remove with regular cleaning. Solution: spray a vinegar and water mixture onto the stain, cover with a damp cloth, and iron over it. Explanation: the high temperature combined with mild acid causes the stain to be absorbed, permeated into the damp cloth. 6. Cleaning stainless steel faucets. Problem: faucets become covered in white limescale after prolonged use, which looks unsightly. Solution: rub half a lemon directly onto the faucet surface, then rinse with water. Explanation: the citric acid in lemons dissolves alkaline minerals and stubborn limescale. 7. Effectively deodorize shoes. Problem: shoes worn all day become damp and have an unpleasant odor. Solution: place 2 unused dry tea bags inside the shoes and leave them overnight. Explanation: the tannins in tea kill bacteria, and the structure of the dry leaves absorbs moisture very well. 8. Charge your phone faster. Problem: you're in a hurry, but your phone battery won't fully charge. Solution: switch your phone to airplane mode while charging. Explanation: disconnecting power-consuming wireless connections focuses all the current on the battery. 9. Secure charging cables. Problem: charging cable ends constantly fall to the ground or get tangled on your desk. Solution: clip butterfly clips to the edge of the desk and thread them through. The cable end passes through the metal handle. Explanation: utilizing the gap in the clamp handle as a mechanical fulcrum to keep the cable end fixed. 10. Precise Google search. Problem: searching for information, but receiving millions of irrelevant results. Solution: place the search term inside quotation marks. Example: delicious cooking tips. Explanation: this command forces the algorithm to only display pages containing the exact specified term. Ladies and gentlemen, these 10 simple tips, if used correctly, will make life so much easier. Thank you for your kind attention. Wishing you a peaceful day, and may you always maintain your resourcefulness in your home. Goodbye, and see you again.